Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find deleted posts on Facebook. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. I have Facebook open here. I can tap on the menu button at the bottom right here. We'll just want to open that up, and then we can tap on settings from here. Then we'll want to scroll down until we find activity log. This will log all of your activity throughout using Facebook, basically from initially signing up for Facebook many years ago. Now we will tap on activity history. If you scroll to the very top, you can see two different options at the top left, archive and trash. If you tap on trash, what this will do is it will show you any posts that you've deleted or moved to your trash within the last 30 days. So if you deleted that post within the past 30 days, it will show up here. I don't have anything because I haven't deleted anything in the past 30 days. You can also go to archive if you've archived that post instead. So if you go to trash or archive, here you'll be able to go in and hit restore and remove that deleted post and enable it again. However, one of the things I recommend doing is if you go back out here and let's just go to say my profile here, what you want to do is say, if you were thinking about deleting this post, what I would recommend doing is tapping the three dots here, and then you can do a couple different options. You can edit privacy here and switch it to only me. So if you want to delete something or have people not be able to see it, you can change the privacy to only me, and then only you will be able to see it. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.